Sialtava. Una Luis, che? Una Luis. No. Allah sui.
Asa.
Allah si pola wey. When you don't know football, mate. You don't know how to play for Manchester United, mate. Go peace. Not Luis. Kushanga marakhatha sa. Bulala ngamarakhatha. Iglo ngasala. Cholopini. Uyisama watu atikabani. Guys, ulime kuyabu uzofika kusasa ekuseni. Mina ngisele sengihlala la. Ningiqoshile South Africa.
You need a bag?
Yeah?
You need a bag?
A bag? Yeah.
My friend, we want my Puma on everything. I'm going to go to South Africa. I'm going to
South Africa. Mele bangilonele nje. Obvious. Ngisathenga amajezingo. Sasa ngibukela ibhola lapha yana. Ubani ke wabukela i-UEFA Champions League? South Africa if wena ke wayibukela i-UEFA Champions League, ngicela ukuthi wena manje uthumele ilona. So are we paying here? Everything?
You can pay here, yeah.
Is it? Oh, okay. Mina ngibuyi. Sasa ngibukela ibhola, ngiyobukela uBellingham, ngiyobukela uVinicius. Ngangitshela next eSouth Africa mina. Next. Mina sengihlala eLondon, angibuyi. Yena bakonthina njalo, ulime kuyabuya kusasa ekuseni.
Ngiphethe ipapalazi lapho.
Udakwe.
Sorry, bro. Yeah. You just told me. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry, brother.
No, I don't want you to be hurt.
Okay, mga limala. 8 pad. Limala mahal.
Kambani?
Atakafuna ngimana ngibazi ukuthi ngaklimited pad.
Eh?
Bengalimana or ngiscratchelo. Bazi ukuthi
How's
ngaklimited
this
pad.
clean on Kanak? Are you watching the football, the game tomorrow? Are you watching the game tomorrow?
Yeah, I might. Watch it live.
Watch it live, ne? Ne? So we're gonna game kusasa.
My friend, what you gonna do? Let me use a discount card then. Where's your card? Let me tap your card. Come, listen. Listen, you thank me. Listen, come. Let me show you something. Come. See this guy here? You know who you're selling your t-shirts to? Should be appreciated, you know? Big artist, you know? Mkulu man, I'm telling you, he's very big, my friend. Have you got Instagram? Have you got Instagram? What country you from, boss? India? Ah, brother.
Have you ever heard of Amapiano?
You heard of my piano?
Have you heard of it?
Yeah,
It's okay. It's okay if you
He's
haven't.
on tour right now, but listen.
Yeah?
Listen.
Oh, so you can recognize me?
Listen, I'm gonna tell you, listen, okay, cool, listen.
Oh, man.
Let him-
They are the clubs that I want.
Yeah, get them. Yeah.
Oh.
Listen, bro, take them other ones off, listen, bro.
Do you
Let him
have?
use your
Do you have
discount code.
large?
Let me try to send you the card, like, let me try to send me discount, don't pay. What size one?
Large.
Large.
Akakufuna ngimthengela ama Crocs. Singbo. Let me see.
They got drink on me, you know.
Yeah, go on.
Got dry mouth as hell, boy. Listen. Let me use them tapping your discount code. Trust me, I'm making this for your next.
There's no discount code.
No, but where's your card that you can tap?
Pana let's see medium, Tona yam.
Is it too big?
We get nothing.
Can we get a medium instead?
Oh,
Yeah, let's see medium, Tona yam.
Ano mga ano? Beg, yung shasha.
Kuban.
Beg, yung shasha, beg.
Ya kila din Tona yam.
I only discount code. He has it. You know he has a discount code.
So you want you?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
you-
like staff discount.
If you Instagram. Come on, go on your Instagram. Saktabi Sapraya. We show you what we do in South Africa. Thank you is thank you.
What's the name?
No, it's in front of you. Scott's.
This one, isn't it?
Scott's my Puma. He really is my Puma because he's booming. He's out of South Africa.
Mbooks akiri wabona ke direki le ko kae? Wabona ke direka akiri. Kubone ile mu. Kubone ile fucking donor.
That's him there. Come on, let me use the discount code. You get a good. Come on, man.
So trust me, there's no discount code.
What about JD then? Come on, you know.
JD is different.
So how do you do the discount code here?
JD is a different store.
But I'm saying, how do you get the discount code here?
Yeah, no.
Discount code. There's no discount code. It's
Oh,
just
no,
a discount,
okay.
but it's just
Ah, don't worry. You would have passed me, don't it?
No,
Thanks, my bro.
you want to swap with this one?
Yeah, no. Yeah.
Medium.
This one medium. No.
Just take the other ones off. Yeah.
Yeah, you can take this one.
Try.
Ukuzama try ukuzama.
And because I will pay discount code, I will say Spanish something. You will tell me.
Misiba mnandi nice. Ababulise lapha eSouth Africa ukuthi sanibona ni-Afghanistan. Esijoloza.
Yeah.
Babulise eMzansi mfethu.
Yo, it's Jolie B in the house, having no Scott, and we are booming. He's in London. Yes. Zamayazi, my South Africa's can do
Batshela ngisabuyi.
to tell us, we are one shot. Yay!
Yay! Uchisimizi.
Yay!
Uchisimizi manje.
Yay! Yay! Are, Marnaled, South Africa. Scott say meaning sasa.
Mina kusasa ngibukela iArsenal neReal Madrid.
Sinasibala eLondon, asikama. Asikama. Ekwatile imali.
Abantu kwaterel uzama sishop yethu.
Asimntana kulini ufuna uthenga amakhosi.
Asinandaba thina singena lapha namacops omntwana wakhe. Asidlala ibhola thina.
Manje anakazi ukuthi nalo semuva kwethu sazokwapha.
Ubani?
That's 441.
441 pounds.
Big business to that uncle.
After that, stop.
Yeah.
Afterwards.
Now this guy, listen. This guy was lost, bro.
He was
He's
waiting.
been waiting. He's been waiting. He's been waiting. After this guy lost, because he has been waiting.
Sorry, which one you want to print?
After this guy.
Mate,
I'm not gonna lie.
we're missing some letters here, please. We're missing some letters, just so you know. We are missing I, O, N, and M as well.
T and an
T and A, yeah, that's good. And what number?
Full letters, man.
A.
Yeah, he wants a number.
1969.
No, just two. Two, yeah. It won't fit, innit? It can be just 62.
55.
55.
No, come with the Kanye West. All I Adidas better. So I think so. I'm a 350 boost.
You can make it sentimental, you know.
Hey, you trying to cut you out, you know? That's why I'm kind of like, yeah, you're trying to say this my man's the last person, but I see you behind me, so I thought.
Yeah, you can make it sentimental and put in maybe 69 or 59. It would mean
I think for full letters.
Yeah, but they ain't got certain names.
no. You want it for
No, full numbers.
four numbers.
Yeah, full number.
Of course they can. You can do whatever you want, my bro.
Why you say full number 2 though?
Ah, man. You're touching me.
Yeah, no. He said you can only put
So
two.
it's like on the 2 in there.
What country you from, my bro?
Oh, really? Congolese, man.
Congo. Ah, you're our neighbor.
Oh, you got one. Oh,
Oh, we're from South Africa.
Is it?
Yeah. South Africa.
What is it?
Yeah.
What language do you speak?
Zulu.
Zulu.
I know a lot of Congolese. They use the surname Nkosi.
My mom speaks Zulu still.
That's it.
She speaks Zulu, Swahili,
You listen to Amapiano?
Apiano. They're in there a little bit still.
who do you know?
It's Diamond Platinum.
The Diamond Platinum lent from us.
You listen to Tanzanian Amapiano.
Amapiano.
That's still nice, bro.
But the originator, you listen to the original sound from where it started.
I
Is it?
haven't, no.
You know Scott Mapuma?
I've heard that name before.
Scott Mapuma.
I've heard that name before. What is a Muslim uncle? She's from South Africa.
Yeah.
I know about her. I don't know Tito, but I have to Tito.
Tito.
Is that?
Tito, you say?
I've got to too much.
I want
Okay.
you to double check, yeah? So,
I'm joking, my brother. That's Scott's my Puma.
Is it?
this one in white on Man U,
Yeah.
okay?
You got the grand
and
check.
Scott's M on Arsenal, number 4.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this one, LEBAJOA, Real Madrid, number 21.
Sharp.
All good? Yeah, I need your signature down.
Where?
Down
Here.
here.
Okay, thank you, my bro.
Cool, I got your autograph now.
Oh, yeah. Hey, when you are slam, when?
I know Uncle Opus, you know.
Do you know Pirimaru?
Kirimaru.
Hey, Kiriola.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Hey.
You know the song, I'll show you.
If you are making live now
You be live right now?
on Instagram,
No.
look at the number. There are 1,100 people watching you right now in South
Is it?
Africa. Say hi to South Africa.
You're right.
Yeah,
Good,
this
man.
is my brother from Congo, bro. Yeah. Congo Brazzaville. Yeah.
Come on.
Which one
Come
are you from?
on
The
now.
other side or
I'm
the
from the other side. I'm DRC.
DRC? That's the towards the southern, isn't it?
Yeah, no, we're something, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going for a cancer right now, man.
I know, man. What was it? Rwanda trying to sell out the man there. Me, I hate Americans. I hate Africans that like to sweat for the Americans. That's what the Americans are making this war go on.
No, it's so good.
Requestan.
They're funding it.
Yeah, they're funding it.
Rwanda, innit?
They're funding Rwanda. And the British, look.
But they're doing it back
They like going to Rwanda.
Second?
They fond of Rwanda.
No, they're funding Rwanda.
Oh.
Rwanda even there. They're like if I don't know, we do West America, they give the blacks money to go war to each other. Stupid though. You know, it's us man meant to be taking the bread off them and warring them.
They call it the M20 rebels.
I've been seeing the videos, man. It's not nice. Yeah, my man shall cut your thing off. I say, yeah.
What do you live there, you know? London.
I live in London, but my virgin lives in South Africa, but he's on tour, innit? Yeah.
Come on. It's Katsirana, guys. It's
How long will you give me?
I got here when was it last week? I got here last week, ne? Yeah. Yeah, I got here like last week Friday.
What you been up to in London? How you find London?
Very cold. Yeah, at least now it's a bit better, you know? Yeah, I'm getting used to the weather, but yeah, it's too cold.
Have you been to the States?
No. Le green there. Ina maponyo ponyo. Ine allergy. Le chupas ne allergy. Yeah? Aye. Le chezi ne allergy ndite ebona njani.
I'm at a flying. I'm fun.
Bheka line allergy.
Shobe sita ngayibona la ngayihlanyela le. Into zabo shebe.
99 at least mara ish.
Marito zabo shebe. Shebe thanda makho.
Yeah, I think it is so. It should have had like just if it had a collar, you know. Yeah. Yo, if umuntu bekasadlala ibhola ngabe ngithenga iCox manje. Ngabe umuntu uzithengela iCox. Nali la round nali. Alifaswanga alibanjwanga ngani next nali la round. Yeah? Adidas menu na, no? Nah. I'm getting baseball jackets and Adidas. So, that's the problem.
Nah, guys can support the Nike. From Nike.
Mina nang sema Nike ni.
Nike.
Kumanje ngibona ngishaya ama Nike ni futhi. Ngishali, hayi necaws nejoki. Ne
Everything
pijama.
Nike. We support Nike.
Yeah, one way, my bro.
But I bought the product lingine man. As South Africa now, QC. Swiss engineering edge. This shoe come out like 2 years back and taken over now. Yeah, come to that one.
It has taken over where? In London.
Everywhere.
Oh,
UK.
Yeah, UK. You know that. Asiyazi lento la South Africa. What
Swiss
is
engineering. It's the new stuff, boy.
Hayi fuck yini lento. Uzenenye.
Mara just flying. Mara Joe. Hey.
Hayi awungeka ngani yini lento le.
Mara pega.
Ubona lento South Africa bangikhansele.
Mara bukhanselela.
Hayi boy, ama bangikhansela kamampela amabheka.
Bathini, ma-South Africa.
Bayothengizanenye.
Bathini, things so far.
Bayothengizanenye. Angeke ibheki.
South Africa mara nithini la.
Bheki.
Cha mara lifestyle wena.
Bheki.
Lifestyle.
Aneva.
Ishampana.
Aneva.
Indaba yazi mina ngikhulele ngapha ngisha isitala sangaphelana. Mara sengimoshile manje kosekuzela.
Eh? Ing. Ini manje. Manje tuyivusela kahle mana tuyifaka kahle. Ngithola ni. Ha. Simnandi manje. Kimet. Uze nenye. Ah. Mara umuntu ngabuya zithengela iCoke yazi for ekhaya.
Matiempo. Ay, que no suena.
Eh?
Piano Zelanda.
Ini?
Piano Zelanda nje.
Hayi guys, mina nginomuntu eSouth Africa ngifuna bangiphoxe. Ngifuna bangiphoxe. Eh? Ini? Amathempo yini into lezi idanga mina ibhola kudala ngaligcina ngana. Yazi ngithema sengiyeke ibhola ne. Ya nothando lwami for ama-Cox baphela mfana. Zange saba nendaba ukuthi kwenzakala. Mina nje.
Akumele South Africa kodwa ibhola. Ukuplan ngophetha ama-Cox wenzini.
Ini?
La wenzini akumele.
Yeah. Guys akekho ufuna ngimthengele iCox. Ayinanishe mayi anazibhayizisa yo. Mina ngiyini benyothi yip. Dlala back to SA. I live in London now. I told you that I'm leaving. You thought I was joking, eh? What? Luis, wait.
Around the world.
Yeah? Yeah, gulu, son. Come on. Ay, mabalbeke ke, hay. Mabalbeke le bola labo. Phela ngawathenga wonke lamabhola wabo.
They want you not to touch the football, but you want to purchase it. It's so mad. I don't understand that.
No, if he complains, I buy all these balls.
I'm lying. I'm trying to think.
Yeah, hey, don't touch those balls. They ain't okay how much. Give them all. No, food. No. 2 for 30 pounds. Bao ke lamabhola la. Yeah, bao ke lamabhola na lama-Cox. Yeah. I'll buy all these balls and these soccer boots. Or I buy all the size 5s. Nagala mo to simpatali lang it.
Pegam Shanja.
Solo. Funa lana bathi wena he. Uzongitshela nje amasimba nje ngithenga yonke le shop. Yeah, mafreshana. Batshele ntwana yami. We will test drive these balls. We will test drive these balls.
A test drive. I'm a test drive.
Guys,
Yeah, I'm from Kaufman, bro.
guys,
Where are you from?
hey.
What's that really from? Vauxhall. I'm from Vauxhall, you know, bro. That's my old ends. I used to live on Wandsworth Road, bro. Yeah, that pop there. My sister East place. Yeah, what part of Vauxhall you from? I smoke. Mix in that. Mix. So apple. The boy, you have black over that side. I know Apple very well. The back of Dawson. Yeah. I don't have problems. But
ngiti si batopong. Ngiti si papataping. Patoping. Pati sa kinalala. Ngiti sa tinga makoks. Ngiti bela niya bateng alagan to freshman uso tingin ba ye. Oy, wala freshman. Why you nga funing it tinga makoks. Mababanya banto pinagkatalipolag sa sakasay. Ay, ayun nga nagdadabapang. Ay, baka papikatapang. Ay, hip hop. You want a fresh. Loni Lemos. Ito ka ama specs. Walk ball. Yeah, of course, Mapuma. Intambuye Kizaro 99.9. Afghanistan FM 99.9 Bafetu. We are live. Tagachi. Well, where are we? What's the show? Sports Direct. Sports Direct. Yeah, it's Sports Direct. Inside Landizi, England. Bafetu. Good Tenagini. Very far. Ang solane? Yeah, right now, what I've done is top of the state and searched and basically told them that's big. But during the team, they searched me and they thought, I've been involved off the team, the whole team, got such a threat. I carry in fact that I ain't never first time. I know the company first contacted them, they quick further. What I've done I've been searching them. I kind of put into
Yes, c'est ça là.
Hey, Tada. After that, bro, get off the chain. What's your name, Bona?
Oh yeah, bro.
Ascot Mapumizi.
Bro.
How are you, bro?
I'm nice, bro.
Yeah, how are they treating you there, bro? I hope you're safe there. You okay?
Bro.
You happy?
I'm
You happy, bro?
an England citizen, bro.
Oh yeah.
C'est mini là.
That means,
Yeah.
ilika tukishona nyani lang alala shona ngabo 8.
Allez.
That's what nearly.
Yeah, put ngabo ma 8:30 guys. Ilika tukishona for sure my kalit nuts. Segumnyamanyana pachai.
Yeah.
So usema coxin manje mngani wangu.
Osabui.
Yeah?
Osabui.
Minang sabuy, gents.
Oh, happy lapho.
Gents minang sharp.
Ushawa.
Niye done South Africa.
At least nje mangabuya no Cristiano ke mathani.
Ubani?
Cristiano.
Inkambi ngithanda inkambi yakhe. Ngisho inkambi yami 1 2
Yeah.
3.
Oh yeah. Uthini makakhunda?
Yeah?
Uthini makakhunda?
Yakithi sonke la shayela namabhebe.
Oh yeah, ne. Pep.
Ola Mronisi. Noma nihlangane eshop. Akunakuthi manje hey watwata. Ungihlangana nale yami. Yabona?
Yeah.
So the Bob. He live, bro.
Yeah, so ang ras nabantu angenzi ne.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, ngathi sayishaya. Yeah, so manje ngisaprintisa amajezi, yabona?
Maraki, man.
Joe.
Bob.
Tino po ba nga phone?
Bob.
Phone lang.
Bob.
So the boy.
Oh, kusawufune.
Ah, ungifonele langa. Ungifonele langa.
Skipper bana. Ah, ndakele.
Hayi.
Ah,
Akunyaki.
Wabo. Ay, wabona William. Ay, wabona William.
Wapha, phakela wapha.
Yeah, number 9.
Akubela mfana ka we.
Number 9.
Ejo.
Sasa nyoke ngibangena, ngicela nyoke ngihamba ka. Nyoke ngihamba ka, nyoke ngithi.
Kutwele labo. Wasa kutwele.
Wena kuri wafona kele live. Wapha.
Yomuru man. Yomuru.
Yomuru yena. Lwela yomuru.
Awuyebo.
Puti.
Aphes kwabo mfana.
Uyazi ntwana yami. Sasa nyobona le yam upele ngam nyobona le yam Modric. Ngita Modra. Oh.
Kayiseli round. Mara ki mara.
Ya bathengize, yabona. Bathengize ngizobabona before balona maye ngadala.
Yeah.
Senzana angifuni ukungiphazamisa, senzana into yini.
Yeah.
Ngizonibona ngenkathi. Manje ngitayo.
Isman Ken. Hayi wena. Ubetha ngamba.
Ubani kanti loyo?
Ukel.
Yini abajwayela ngithumela abantu abaseLondon.
Awu sir.
Uvayise skipper sesabathu saNike wena. Uvayise top yabantu yaNike. Since we are in English.
Kitseni kada. Katsena ka swipe kada.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh yeah, bro. Number 4.
Yeah, ntwana yami obviously. Ngivele ngathi singishayile umawuleli birthday yakhe ngithanda.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, ke birthday yakhe mina obviously 19/9 ngithwala le.
Yeah.
Bese ngafaka ne birthday timer. Just nje ngibe mnandi nice.
Yeah.
Ngithenga zonke lezi kipa zala vele ngifaka ama number, ngifake saka study, ngifake saka yonke.
Cela
Uyazo boy.
uyocela skin ku Real Madrid bakufake ngala site Panda. Bazokufaka
Bangifake kuphi?
ku Real Madrid mayidlala.
Hayi dlala kusasa. Nyaya.
Wena uyocela Panda kusasa ubona.
Nyaya.
Hayi wena.
Yeah, abo bayabuya mina ngisele ngiwani ngise never.
Yeah.
I never.
Unobhekelela uModric.
Ndoda nyombona kusasa kanyomtshela straight ngithi wena shoti ngazonginyeka wena. Hasa wena. Baye bangithengisa angithi manje amathikithi away angatholanga so mina ngiwinda nabantu beArsenal kusasa. So kumele ngithenge le jersey. Yeah, cause bazongikapa labantu. Ngishayishe beMadrid obviously Madrid izowina kusasa.
Manje uhlala neArsenal coaches leArsenal Madrid yakho usukume uyiwanda celebrate.
Hayi mina bayikora vele ngithi.
Yeah man. Ayikho
Mina bayikora ngithi shit.
Sometimes.
Yeah, ngithi hey. Ngaphakathi ngithi ngithengile phela leseMadrid yethu angidlali.
Yeah.
Nasi bashaya yabo.
they're on boy.
Basa sprinter lesi.
Yeah, lesi basashaya lesi basiqedile lesi. Basiqedile lesi bashaya lesi.
Uyocora sibi kanti kusasa.
Sasa mina ngishaye lesi angithi ngiyelo nini lesi.
Oh, yeah.
Sasa mina ngishaye lesi because badlala neArsenal and then angithi mina ngiseLondon. So
Yeah.
Olindorfa.
yeah, so ngisekhaya leLondon.
Olindorfa.
Bayangitshela ngapha ukuthi amfana ka ungasigcoki iskipa seMadrid poison. Uzucabana nalabelungu kabuhlungu.
Olindorfa.
Ngilishile vele ninangile South Africa yalina.
Olindorfa.
Ngirapela kanjani manje kilinto?
Yo.
Olindorfa.
Ngasireke iskipa sa Chiefs mina.
You on a day.
No nakakireke iskipa sa Chiefs.
You on a day.
Nawuphuza amapilisi.
Yeah?
Cowboy yeah.
Uyafa.
Yeah.
Ufelani?
Nangu uphuza amapilisi la.
Uphi ushaba kanti ngoba mina ngimboni.
Yeah, shit, I'm dying, bro.
Yo, utai fani, yes.
Bro, like it's fucked up. Don't look. Look, I don't know what's happening here. Kicks, he missed this camp, bro. Like it's Mozambique and I don't understand, bro. How is this?
Yo. Hey.
Yeah.
Yo, nali cops Joe, bathing the cops.
Makamlang talino, kaya makahilo len. Besides why?
Hawo masayski.
Yeah,
Hey,
ease
panina
up.
ngifone ngifuna.
Let them listen to
Shit me like a yeah?
Let's ale, pero tang nyadala next week uyaz mara. Ay man, siya mara.
Para boy
Nyadala,
ufuna lipi?
yeah, ilele yelo Scott mfana.
Lela.
Yeah, le, ilele plus solbona mfana.
Awufuni le flyers.
Hayi, eli yelo Scott, ilele green yelo.
Oh.
Yeah, mina
plan
ngifuna green.
Endoda wena uthenga liphi lapho? Elawo.
in.
Cox.
Oh, mina icox ngizolithenga le day sodlala. Ngifuna ukuthenga icox mina kuyithi ani kodlala.
Angijazi abantu bakho la. Kunini solo ngibatshela.
Mina the day nithi nodlala. It's the day ngithenga icox.
Hayi ngivele ngizobatshela ngala ikhuphini ayina mlomo. Awukula. Ya ke na skotso.
Mona lipi.
Asabona tsamaya. Asabona fanaka.
Dinja tsa teng. Tsa teng ha o nlatlhile wena le
Ah,
mmuo.
go la thanyang. Wena
Wena
go
hey.
thanyang.
Le wena. O nlatlhile wena.
Fanaka sa wena. Wa ka wara fe.
Endata. Ka o sa dikile o bona Van Veen.
Yeah, ila ba bo tsona man.
Yeah?
Wena o sa na o ile dilo mo ka bona ke teng.
Yeah, ke tla tshwara ka Collins.
Ka go fana.
Haina flopo mapernaza.
No.
Oi.
Ya ke ona skotso. A robereka mfanaka.
Ai, wena a untshware ka dako WhatsApp batla go ntsha something.
All right mfanaka.
You move.
Hey, wena. Ngwanesu, how are you? Thank you. Let's live. Let's live. That's how it's supposed to be. Yeah, bayabo uthi ngenzeni ngithenga usize banda.
Bathi uthenga size bani?
Ngisho wena thatohati. Ngisho thatohati. Ngithenga usize banda.
Ngidlala ibhola, Scott kantona.
Oh, sorry. Base ngithenga lama cops.
Mina ngifuna size 9.
Star yakusho mina.
Size 9.
Uyanya.
Mina ngicela pink.
Eli pink.
Yeah.
Nali.
Makakalas addressin indaba kaBob.
Yeah, usize 4 ne. Ah, makaleli reda likho pink mas. El purple,
Ipink lena.
purple.
Ebana, angithi just angithi ngikhambe ngibona ngathi phone.
Purple so purple.
Yeah?
El purple.
Ngwane.
Adimina nazi para ter
Yabo mesifile.
Yeah, si family was game songs.
Ane,
Ngababukela lapha.
el purple.
No problem.
Sharp again.
Sharp mtansekai.
Yabo mesifile. Yabo mas. Fana.
Bona.
Ufuna sodlala neteam yabo mas music mfana.
Solithenga masifika lapho siwathenga ama-cox ungawasho.
Sure mfana karitabulela mfana.
Danki mfanaka.
Sure.
Itsada.
Naman, asa.
Guys, mina nyanishiya. Bye bye.